Sahil, who is our last Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
ആ സൊല്ലല എഴുത്തില്ല.
Fidian, who is our father of nation?
ഗാന്ധിജി.
Okay, correct. Yasin, who is the best friend of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
അബൂബക്കർ സിദ്ദീഖ് റളിയല്ലാഹു അൻഹു.
Radiyallahu anhu. Okay, Zahira, what is the color of okra? Zahira, what is the color of okra?
Green.
Okay, thank you. Shazmin, who is the grandfather of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
അബ്ദുൽ മുത്തലിബ്.
Okay. Fidian, who is the first wife of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam?
ഖദീജ ബിബി.
Okay, correct. Zahira, which animal has long neck?
ജിറാഫ്.
Yes, correct. Bishrul Hafi, how many kids does Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam have?
7.
Correct answer. MashaAllah. Yasin, which animal like to jump and has paws?
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Haiwa. Correct answer. MashaAllah. Shazmin, where did Quran relieved?
Kirahua.
Okay, correct. Then Sahel, which vehicle go through the sky? Which vehicle go through the sky?
Airplane.
Bishrul Hafi, how many surah are there in Quran?
140.
Aiwa. Then Zahira, how many fingers on your hand?
10.
Aiwa. Congrats. Yasin, which is the longest vehicle in the world? Which is the longest vehicle in the world?
Train.
Aiwa. Fidian, which vehicles go through the water?
Airplane.
In water.
Ship.
Aiwa, very good. Sahil, what is the taste of bitter gourd?
Bitter.
Aiwa. Shazmin, which is our country?
India.
Then Fidian, which is our district?
Malappuram.
Congrats all are congrats. Very good. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Next on today's